Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how inserting of rational numbers between two rational numbers. In between two rational numbers, how many rational numbers can be exist? There are infinitely many rational numbers will exist between any two rational numbers. Let us see here. They're asking us insert five rational numbers between 1 and 2. Normally, if you're counting numbers 1 and 2, in between these two numbers, how many are there? There are infinitely many are there. In those infinitely many, they're asking us to find out any five rational numbers. Let us see how to find it out. Now here they're asking 5. So let I'm considering n equal to 5. Now I will take it as n plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. This is 6. So I'm converting 1 in terms of 6 there. Like I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator 6 by 6 because they're asking 5. N plus 1 will become 6 there. That's why. So here this number also I'm converting into here 6 by 6. The new number is 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. In between 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6, there is 7 upon 6 is there, 8 upon 6 is there, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and also 11 upon 6. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between. Numbers between 1 and 2 are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6. Clear? Now see another example. Here in this 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 was given. There are fractions over there. In this one, here also they are asking us 5 rational numbers. That is n equal to 5 I am taking. N plus 1 will become 5 plus 1. This is 6. So this fraction I am multiplying with the 6 upon 6. And here another fraction also I am multiplying with 6 upon 6. So the new fraction will be 6 upon 30 and here also this will become 12 upon 30. In between 6 upon 30 and 12 upon 30, that is 7 upon 30 is there, 8 upon 30 is there, 9 upon 30 is there, 10 upon 30 is there, 11 upon 30 is there and 12 upon 30 is also already given. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 are 7 by 30, 8 by 30, 9 by 30, 10 by 30, 11 by 30. Clear? Now here in this one, in this example, 1 by 3 and 2 by 5, those two fractions are unlike fractions. So first what we're supposed to do, we have to convert these unlike fractions into the like fractions. Then we can follow the same method like in example B there. So here how to convert this one into like fractions? We have to take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So this fraction 1 by 3, we are converting in LCM of 15. 3 in 15 how many times? 5 times. 5 upon 5. 2 by 5 times 5 in 15 how many times? 3 times. So it will become 5 by 15 and here it is 6 by 15. So now in between 5 by 15 and 6 by 15, these two like fractions, we have to find out 5 rational numbers there. Now n value will become 5, then n plus 1 will become 5 plus 1, this is 6. So 5 by 15 times 6 upon 6 and 6 by 15 times 6 upon 6. That is 30 upon 90 and here 36 upon 90. In between 31 upon 90 is there, 32 upon 90, 33 upon 90, 34 upon 90, 35 upon 90 will exist between these two numbers. Therefore, required rational numbers are 31 upon 90, 32 upon 90, 33 upon 90, 34 upon 90 and 35 upon 90. Here always n value will become 5 only? No. Depending upon the given question. That is, if they are asking us to find out the 6 rational numbers, n will become 6 there. If they are asking us to find out the 10 rational numbers between them, n will become 10. And only 5, 10 only exists between any two rational numbers? No. There are infinitely many rational numbers will exist. Clear? Thank you.